Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time and you just came across this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you're my subby and you are watching, thank you for your support. So today I'm showing you how Candice, guys, Candice, she just got married, a traditional wedding. So hear how her wedding looked like. It was a really beautiful wedding and the best moment of her life, Not anybody can get married, and if marriage came on your path, came on your destiny, well, call yourself lucky girl. So, yeah, this was so beautiful, and both of your sisters were in her wedding. Like, guys, it's really a good thing when you have family members that support you, most especially when you're celebrating. It's really a good thing. Bontle was there and also Rufilo was there, because I know that there are some families that when you are happy and you just like you are getting married and they tell you that no, because of work we won't be able to attend, and you can't call them bad people because at these days money comes first. So it's a really good thing for your sisters, for her sisters, to be there for him. So guys, see you on my next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.